Hi everyone, glad you're here this evening. We're going to be doing something very different at Joy's Kitchen. We're going to be making tiramisu. I don't know if you know what tiramisu is, but it's I guess you might call it an adult dessert because it has a lot of coffee in it. And a lot of people put rum in it. Now we won't be doing that, so that doesn't matter. But today we're going to be making tiramisu. I've wanted to make it for years, but every time I want to make it, it's just it was so complicated. And right before Christmas, I found a recipe that said 10-minute tiramisu. And I thought, now that's my kind of dessert. So this is going to be tiramisu, 10-minute tiramisu. And the first thing you add is mascarpone cheese. It's an 8-ounce carton. This mascarpone cheese. And I put a little bit of whipping cream with it just to sort of smooth it out. Make it a little thinner. Like it's done good. And now we have to add the sugar. Now, I think I'll wait a minute to do that. This is the first time I've done it, so this is a little bit different. Now, this is heavy whipping cream. You just want to beat it till it's frothy, not hard peaks. Now, if they ever make a noiseless blender, I'm going to get me one. Okay, now this is about how the cream should be. So let's put our other bowl in here. And we'll cut them up. Like that. And now we add 8 tablespoons of sugar or a cup of sugar. A teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, now that's mixed up enough. The next step is now these are lady fingers. They're not the regular kind of lady fingers that you normally get in the store here. But I've seen them around here, but with the pandemic, I'm not going to every store looking for lady fingers. So I truly did get these from Amazon. It's just hard, just hard lady fingers. They're not like those little cake lady fingers. They're different than those are. Let's see if I can sort of end. Now, you dip each one in coffee. You don't leave it in coffee. Now, you can use any kind of coffee you want to. A lot of the high-end restaurants use rum and coffee. I don't. I just use the flavored coffee. You can use any flavored coffee that you want to use. I had some flavored coffee and I just used mine. Feel free to use any flavored coffee that you like. So we're going to keep going. You just roll them over once. You don't want them soggy. And it picks up really good, so you don't have to worry about it not getting enough coffee, because it does. They're very porous. I hope you like this, because it really is. My niece introduced me to this about 15 years ago. And like I said, I have the recipe, but I'm going, nah, I don't want to go there this time. It's too aggravating. And then the other day I was looking for something and ran across the recipe that said tiramisu in 10 minutes. And I thought, somebody's looking after me. So that's how we got the tiramisu today. It's a beautiful dessert, though. You might have to break some of them in half to make them come out even. No, you can't see in here, but that's how I've got it. Now, the next thing we do is we're going to start putting our mixture down here. Muscatone and cream. I went ahead and put tape around it. I don't know if it'll stick or not since I've never made it before, but I wasn't going to take a chance on it. And so I went ahead and put the paper around it. May not need it, but it sure wouldn't hurt. Just get it around to all the corners. Okay. Now, you take the corners off of two of them. They go better in your pan after you put them in coffee, of course. I love good coffee. I'm not a now Starbucks actually has, you know, the little packages for the cup coffee. They have tiramisu package of it, so you can even get the tiramisu coffee from Starbucks. I was a little bit surprised by that one day when I was at Walmart and I saw the tiramisu little packets of coffee. I doubt if you could get it at the store, but I don't know. They may have it. And as you see, it took a whole pack. And this is not a real big pan. Now, the rest. Spread it out good. Now this has got to set about 3 hours and we'll be back so we can cut it. Well, our pie is ready, our cake is ready, our tiramisu is ready. It gets released now. Well, it looks pretty. I'll have to say that. Looks like I've always said it. Now, the last thing you do is you just fill it full of fine chocolate straight from the box. Now I'll cut you a piece. There's your tiramisu. Paul, come here and take a bite. Well, I'll take a bite then. Jeepers, that's good. You can taste the coffee. You can taste the cheese filling and that chocolate on top. That makes something. So we got our tiramisu. I hope you'll try it. You saw how easy it was. And we'll try something new next time. I want to tell you that if I have 2 Facebook accounts. One is Gagajoy on Facebook and the other was my regular account. If you'll go to Gagajoy and put your questions, next time we get together, I'll answer questions for you. But I need you to go answer the questions and make comments so we can answer some questions if we need to. Today we've had a good day and I'm excited about this. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.